and welcome to this demonstration of the brand new tactical headset. I'm going to step into our noise booth, so let's start up some noise. And once inside, I'm going to connect the headset. And as you can hear, it is already quite loud. So let me step inside. I am now standing in about 110 decibels of noise. I have full hearing protection. I can use a protective mask. I can use a helmet. It really doesn't matter. The tactical headset is available for a wide range of devices. Go to tacticalheadsets.com for more information. Thank you.